Jambo, and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of September, we're learning all about Kenya. Come along with us. This week, we're going to make a beautiful collar necklace, just like the Maasai women of Kenya wear around their necks. And all we need for this craft is a paper plate and some markers. Are you ready to try? Come on, let's do it together. First, we'll need to make some cuts. So, on our paper plate, we're going to draw one line down to the collar and then around the middle for the neck hole. And cut out a circle. You may need to cut a bigger circle or a smaller circle depending on the size of your neck. Now we get to decorate. So let's turn it over and begin coloring. Now that we've decorated our necklace, let's go ahead and put it around our neck. So to do that, we just open where we made our cut and place it around the back of our neck. Beautiful. Great job, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more Kenya in September. Bye, everyone. Kwaheri.